Easy homemade Mediterranean chicken and rice recipe for beginners, affordable and delicious. Hello, YouTube foodies. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we have a special treat for you, a delicious and easy to make homemade Mediterranean chicken and rice recipe that's perfect for beginners. It's not only affordable but also bursting with flavors. So, let's dive right in. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our tasty recipes. Let's go through the ingredients you'll need for this Mediterranean chicken and rice. 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken thighs. 2 cups jasmine rice. 1 can, 14 ounces, diced tomatoes. 1 cup chicken broth. Half cup Kalamata olives, sliced. 1/4 cup capers. 1/4 cup olive oil. 1 onion, finely chopped. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 1 teaspoon dried thyme. Salt and pepper to taste. Fresh parsley for garnish. Now, let's get started with the preparations. Washing and patting dry the chicken thighs. First, season your chicken thighs with salt, pepper, and a pinch of dried oregano. Set them aside. Show clips of the host chopping onion, garlic, and slicing olives. Next, chop the onion, mince the garlic, and slice the Kalamata olives. These will add amazing flavor to our dish. Now, let's move on to the cooking process. Show clips of the host heating olive oil in a large pan. Heat olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Once hot, add the seasoned chicken thighs and sear them until golden brown on both sides. Show clips of the host adding chopped onion and garlic. Add the chopped onion and garlic to the pan. Sauté until they're soft and fragrant. Show clips of the host adding rice, diced tomatoes, chicken broth, olives, capers, thyme, and oregano. Now, add the jasmine rice, diced tomatoes, chicken broth, sliced olives, capers, dried thyme, and dried oregano. Mix everything together. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the rice is cooked and the chicken is tender. And there you have it, our homemade Mediterranean chicken and rice. Garnish it with fresh parsley for that extra pop of color and flavor. Here are some of the key advantages of homemade Mediterranean chicken and rice. Nutrient-rich ingredients. Chicken provides a good source of lean protein, essential for muscle development and repair. Rice is a complex carbohydrate that provides a steady release of energy and is a good source of fiber. Tomatoes, olives, and capers add vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to the dish. Heart healthy. The inclusion of olive oil in Mediterranean cuisine is known for its heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which can contribute to a lower risk of heart disease. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Kalamata olives and capers contain healthy omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation. Low in saturated fat. Homemade versions of dishes allow for better control over ingredients, helping to keep saturated fats in check, contributing to better cardiovascular health. Balanced flavors. The combination of herbs and spices such as thyme, oregano, and garlic not only adds incredible flavor but also provides potential health benefits. For instance, garlic is known for its anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this recipe, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Until then, happy cooking. Thank you very much Mediterranean chicken and rice lovers.